I can't get out, and I can't look away. Maybe I can cleanse it. This sounds like the board, but I can't understand it. What the fuck?